everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bill.com, the powerful cloud-based solution for managing bills, invoices, and payments. Whether you're a business owner, bookkeeper, freelancer, or accountant, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to streamline your financial operations. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and set up your account, navigate the dashboard, add vendors and customers, send and track invoices, pay bills and manage expenses, automate workflows and approvals, sync Bill.com with accounting software, and use advanced features like recurring payments and multi-user access. So let's get started. Creating and setting up your Bill.com account. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Bill.com on your browser. Now, and here, go ahead and click on the sign up button. So after that, you get redirected into the section where you can actually sign up for an account. So choose your account type. There are three different account types that you can choose from. First would be the accounts payable if you primarily pay vendors and bills. Accounts receivable if you mainly send invoices and collect payments. And both account payable and account receivable if you manage both payables and receivables. Enter your business details such as your company name, industry, and email. Create a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for security. Check your email for verification and confirm your account. If you're a bookkeeper or accountant managing multiple clients, you can set up an accountant dashboard for easy management. Once logged in, you'll see the inbox section where incoming invoices, bills, and messages appears, payables for tracking expenses, unpaid bills, and outgoing payments, receivables to create and send invoices and receive payments, reports for financial summaries, payment history, and more, integrations to connect Bill.com with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or NetSuite. Customize your dashboard by pinning frequently used sections. Adding vendors and customers. So click the vendors tab and click on the add vendor button. Enter vendor details such as their business name, contact email and phone, banking details for ACH payments, payment terms, and add payment reminders or approval workflows if needed. For adding customers, go ahead and click on the Customers tab and click on the Add Customer button. Fill in the following details such as the customer name and email, billing address, preferred payment method, and set invoice reminders to automatically notify customers of due payments. You can import vendors and customers in bulk using a CSV file to save time. Sending and tracking invoices. So click Receivables and click on the Create Invoice button. Enter the following details such as the customer name, invoice number, issue date and due date, line items, notes, or terms. Attach supporting documents like receipts or contracts and click the Send button. The invoice will be emailed directly to the customers. Tracking invoices. So go to the Receivables tab, click on the Invoices to see paid invoices, outstanding invoices, and overdue invoices. Set up automatic payment reminders for customers with overdue invoices. Paying a bill. Click on the payables and click on enter bill. Upload or manually enter bill details such as the vendor name, due date, and amount. Payment method and click on the pay button and choose immediate or scheduled payment. Setting up auto payments. Enable auto pay for recurring expenses like rent or subscriptions. Use approval workflows to require manager approval for higher value payments. Set up multi-step approvals to prevent unauthorized payments. Automating workflows and approvals. So go to settings and head over to approval workflows. Customize your workflow for invoice approval and payment approval. Customizing your workflow for invoice approval will require manager approval before sending, and customizing your workflow for payment approval will prevent unauthorized transfers. Design different approval rules for employees, bookkeepers, or finance managers. Integrations menu. Go to settings and head over to integrations. Connect Bill.com to QuickBooks Online or Desktop, Xero, NetSuite, and Sage Intact. Once connected, all invoices and payments will automatically sync, reducing manual data entry. Run a test sync before fully integrating to check for errors. Advanced features and security tips. Enable multi-user access, add team members with different permission levels, set payment limits, restrict large payments without approval, and use two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Monitor audit trails, keep track of all transactions and changes. Now that you know how to set up, send invoices, pay bills, automate workflows, and integrate Bill.com with accounting tools. Make sure to check out their plans and pricings for both businesses and accountants. If you're a business owner, it's best to check the For Businesses tabs to find the best account type for your business, the account type that will actually allow you to use it best for your business. Now, for accountants, you can go ahead and check out their plans and pricings for accountants. So there are two types for accountants. First would be Bill AP and AR partner. Second would be Bill Spend and Expense partner. So the Bill AP and AR partner would be around $49 per month, and the Bill Spend and Expense partner would be around $0 per month. So it is free to use for you and your clients. So there is no free to use plan for those who are actually planning to get an account for their businesses. So the lowest monthly payment for businesses that are using Bill.com would be around $45. You can go ahead and check that out on their website to actually compare the difference between the different plans available for businesses. So once you head over into the For Businesses tab, you'll be able to find their different accounts types. So if you want to learn more about that plan, click on the View Plan features and you'll be able to learn more about that specific plan available. So if you're already ready to open an account on Bill.com, you can go ahead and hit on that Get Started button, which you'll find there the plan that you have selected. Why should you use Bill.com? Bill.com is a cloud-based platform designed to streamline your accounts payable and receivable. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise, it helps you pay and get paid faster and easier. It automates payments. Forget writing checks. Bill.com automates everything. ACH, wire transfers, credit cards, and even paper checks. Just set up approvals and it takes care of the rest. Saves time and reduces error. AI-powered data entry extracts invoice details for you. No more manual prompt, no more typos. It's just smooth transactions. Improve cash flow management. Track all your payments in one place. No more guessing when that invoice will be paid. Secure and compliant. Bill.com protects your business from fraud and keeps detailed audit trails so you be compliant without extra effort. Work from anywhere. Cloud-based check. Mobile-friendly check. Manage payments anytime, anywhere. Integrates with accounting software. Syncs seamlessly with QuickBooks, Hero, NetSuite, and more, so your books stay accurate without extra work. So if you want to save time, reduce stress, and keep your finances in check, Bill.com is the way to go. And that is how you can basically use Bill.com. Reasons why you should use it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.